afternoon, welcome. This is government year 2010 Jamb past question number 38, and the question number 38 here says the general purpose committee of the local government is the dash. The general purpose of the local government is that is the general purpose committee department. The general purpose committee department of the local government is to do dash. That is what the question is saying. A, body responsible for supervising self-help project. B, local government public relations unit. C, body for awarding contracts. D, cabinet of the local government. General purpose committee department of the local government is the cabinet of the local government. The cabinet of the local government. So when you get to this department or section of the local government, you find files of different administrators and so on and so forth. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.